Hello everyone, this is Saiba from the Prolifix product team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a Panther web Docker image. So let's get started. The first step is to pull the Panther web 554 image through the command docker pull. Here, Prolifix Panther is the username and Docker Panther trial is the name of the image which we are using. Next, we'll have to run the docker run command to create the Panther web container. Here, Panther Web is the name of the container. -P option is used with the port number. The first port is for the host machine and second port is the container port. -D is for the detached mode. Prolifix Panther is a username and Docker Panther trial is the name of the image. Now, in order to execute or go inside the container, you'll have to run the docker exe command. Here, -ti is for the terminal interactive. We'll have to give the container ID. So in order to check the container ID, you can run the docker ps command in your terminal window, or you can also run docker container ls-l command. Here, bash is a kind of shell which we are using. I will also showcase how to access the Panther web application in the browser. This is my terminal window on my Red Hat server, and I'm going to pull, run, and execute the Docker image. So let me first pull my Docker image from the GitHub. Pulling my Docker Panther trial image, and now you can see it's got pulled. After pulling, let me just run my container, and I can give my container name as Panther Web. You can see I'm running my container on the port 8080. My container has been created. After that, let me check the container ID. So this is my container ID. Now let me execute my Docker container or enter into the container. Changing my container ID. Here you can see that I have entered into my container using the ProWeb user, and my container comes loaded with the running Panther web application. So let me just show you my web application. So here you can see the Panther demo is basically the web application which is running inside the container. So from my browser, I'm going to bring up a sample screen that is running in my Panther web application. This is my Panther web application. So if I enter my name and click on the greeting button, you can see that the message it says like hello and the name you entered in the field. So this is a simple Panther screen application which is built with JPL and JavaScript behind it. Now let me show you the Docker file. It's a very simple Docker file which is broken up into few sections. The prerequisite to run this Docker file is to make sure you have Apache Tomcat and Panther Web installed. So this is setting up base operating system, setting up labels, setting up working directory, installing and configuring Java, installing and setting up Apache Tomcat, Panther Web installed and configured, creating ProWeb user and configuring Panther Web. Here we are installing libjycc, which is required for Panther Web. Copying our entry point.sh file. Setting up ProWeb users. Yeah, so that's all about the Docker file. If we can help you with your Panther web Docker image, please reach out to support@prolifix.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please click on the subscribe button. If you have any query, then post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.